We are at Lake Dardanelle State Park, Arkansas, and we're going to take a quick walk on the nature trails, look at the scenery, and just hang out. This is the main field and the trees out back from our truck camper, and this is the bridge over the moat on the side of the road going to the trails.
Go away, bud. Let's go back.
Okay, so we are here at Lake Dardanelle, and we're on a wildlife viewing platform. And from here, you can just kind of look out into the woodiness around us. Lots and lots of thick, tasty green stuff on the floor of the forest. If you're a deer or something else that wants to eat green, yummy stuff. There's a birdhouse over there.
There's a creek there with a
So we will continue walking along here. Yeah. It's a nice little park for coming in, visiting, hanging out. So yeah, here we go. Looking around through here, and there is the wildlife viewing platform, and you will see that the sunset doth approach. Yes, there is traffic just a short ways away from us. Okay, so here we have a nice little bridge over the trail. They say that there are alligators up here. I don't know if we have seen anything. And then also, don't forget lots of turtles too.
Turtles might be in here. They said the alligators were more in the Arkansas River.
Well,
which connects with Lake Dardanelle.
Babies might come up here. Well, Lake Dardanelle is the Arkansas River.
Connected to?
Well, it's the flow through.
I'm just going to stay on the right side.
So I think this here is where the loop of the trail is. You can go that way, or you can go down this way.
So they said the loop was 3/4 of a mile.
Yeah, 0.75 miles, so it'll be quick and easy. But yeah, very pretty through here. We've got about 20 minutes of sunlight left, and then it will dwindle off into dusk. There's the lake out through there. And if you look over through here, you can just see the last remnants of the sun.
I mean, if it comes out up here, we can just get back on the road.
Yeah, that's what I figure. So I think there's like a little trail guide that you can take, and then it might work with the little postings on the trail here.
Yeah, they call it a self-guided trail, but they're pretty nice.
Yeah, oak leaves. Okay, so anyway, I'll just keep on walking here. I like that vine is up over and starts twisting up. You can see it twisting up the trunk of the tree there too. So that's interesting. So there is a bird chirping back here. I don't know what it is that heard us. Now it's quiet. But I'll walk through quietly and see if we can hear it. Okay, well, I think Mr. Bird heard us and went into silent mode. He's a little performance shy. But somewhere up there, and my guess is it was maybe like a whippoorwill, something like that. There's another little creek. Okay, so we'll walk down here, and this will take us back to the main road. Well, it's worse off behind us. Mm-hmm. And here we are. Yep.
Oh, a deer.
Oh, there went a deer over there. As Homer Simpson would say, "Don't a deer." Yep, Mr. Ranger, sir.
Funny, interesting how they pulled off the grass here.
Okay, well.
Wait.
What?
Turn around to show there's the nuclear power plant.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Right across the lake there.
There's our nuclear power plant with a guaranteed 15-minute warning if there's some kind of an accident.
And they sounded the alarm on
The other day, anyway.
at exactly noon for about 2 or 3 minutes. They sound the emergency alert.
Every Wednesday for 15 minutes at noon, they
They
test. That's what the sign said. Except if there is inclement weather, then they do not test to prevent confusion. Oh, there you go.
It's like a frame.
A little hole in the tree. Cool. Okay. Well, let us continue back. So there is the marina, and I guess it's a private marina in the park. And then you can rent these cabins here, old log cabins. I don't know what the deal with those is. And it looks like this here fireplace and benches with the flat stone surface around it are part of that deal.
Yeah, they have the name.
So we're just going to kind of continue walking back to camp along the road here. But yeah, look at that. This beautiful area.
Somebody's mowing a lot of grass.
Yeah, it's a winter.
Oh, and the
After we finished the trail, we walked the main road back towards our campsite, and this is just one of the creeks there. This is a tree, two trees that had actually grown together. The lower part is trunks, and the upper part is a branch. There is the nuclear plant. There are two nuke plants there, and they've been in service since the mid-70s without any problems. So this here's a sunset view out over Lake Dardanelle, and there is one of the residents of the lake swimming out from the marina. And it is said that this was animal cruelty, but I needed their opinion of the hamburger seasoning. This was tonight's dinner. We made some Italian sausage with mushrooms, yellow squash, onion, and red pepper in Alfredo sauce with Rao's Alfredo and noodles. Very tasty. And this is what is in the makings for dinner tonight here in the Truck Camper Kitchen Stadium with the Iron Truck Camper Chef. Just having a little fun there. We are going to make some Italian sausages with lots of brown cremina mushrooms, a half a white onion, one yellow squash, and half of a red bell pepper. So that should be very tasty there. And then over here we have some Rouse spaghetti noodles. And right here we are going to use Rouse homemade Alfredo sauce. So that should be very, very tasty. Looking forward to a nice dinner. And here we have the finished Alfredo with noodles and Italian sausage. A little hard to eat under the camera. All right. We were just hanging out in back of the truck camper, and we are a little worried about the cats being out, so we put them in their carriers. Space Kitty is what we call that. And afterward, the two cats were sleeping together, Archie and Poppy. There's Poppy being naughty, getting up into a closet where she knows she's not supposed to be. That's where the food is. This was Archie earlier in the day. Power napping, and this here is the marina, and we were just sitting there looking out into the sunset, and this is just the field behind us at night, and you can see the lights out there. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Check back for the next video. All right, thank you, and we'll see you later.